Alright, g'day, welcome back to the channel. So today we're trying something new. I want to share something with you guys. This, as you can see here, is the VIFly 2. And these are beautiful devices and, you know, probably saved a bunch of us a few times. Pretty easy to install on a plane because they're nice and enclosed, but not so easy to install in a quad. If you're just, you know, going to use zip ties. And, you know, one of the things with a quad being open is water ingress. You know, covered a lot of that recently. And so, yeah, this puppy needs waterproofing, which means the heat shrink has to get cut. And if one was going to do that, they could add a bigger cell, just as a possibility. You know, you could do that. I haven't done that in this case. I'm going to run with the native cell, hopefully, if it's not dead. This has been in the cupboard a while. That's the cupboard. And so yeah, but what I've got here is a little 3D printed case I wanted to share with you. This can be screwed down with a 20 by 20 mount. It's got a little button on the side here that pushes the button on the side of that, and a hole at the front for the speaker. Now it doesn't have any way for the light to get out really, apart from the fact that this is very thinly infilled. So yeah, we'll see about that. Yeah, that's that. So I will be putting this up on Thingiverse, and as far as waterproofing this, it's pretty well just, you know, don't get stuff in the little speaker, little piezo speaker, don't get stuff in the switch, and don't get stuff in the plug. Otherwise, this side's actually fairly simple. There's really only like, the diode probably doesn't actually need waterproofing, but you could waterproof the diode, waterproof this little whatever the hell that is there, it might be a choke or something like that. But the actual side that needs waterproofing is if I get this zoomed in. So as you can see, the side that you really want to waterproof is this side underneath. So you want to take this off, remove that foam, and really gunk that side underneath. Is going to be fine to gunk. There's nothing to really screw up there. And just be careful not to detach the wires of the battery when you do that. Leave the plug in for this, and yeah, don't get in the piezo, don't get in the switch. That's basically that. I won't cover that because there's plenty of videos. In fact, I'll put a link, you know, in the top right corner card for you guys to check out of waterproofing the HD0 Freestyle VTX if you haven't seen that already. Apart from that, one other quick thing that I came across today. You see these? This bag of... These are the things that come from masks. You know, the KN95 and the N95 masks that have been, you know, produced in the billions, right? So they're everywhere, and what they are is one, I'll just show you with the other camera, one bit like this here that's quite thick and you know, would do for a standoff in an FC, and one bit here that's quite squishy and it might do for something else that wants sort of vibration isolation. So that's really cool. You know, if you can get your hands on some of those, if you know someone who's got a business who's bought a lot of masks, they probably have like bags of these sitting around because they don't get used, yeah? So yeah, that's basically that. Anyway, look, that's me wrapping up. I'm gonna go enjoy my Friday night with a beer, and yeah, these will be on Thingiverse, link below, like and subscribe, peace out, and be well. That was my scene clap. Nothing more. Cheers.